Welcome back. This is my card art. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget, I have special ideas for you and crafting tips and bloopers, of course, all the time. And it's always here to motivate you. I will be making something very special today. So please subscribe, and I hope you get to share my projects and enjoy them a lot. I made my own ribbon tower here so I can store my ribbons. And I designed and created this ribbon tower, and I made this video as I designed my project. So that was a little tricky. I did not make a prototype first, so excuse the bloopers, and I'm not very good with some of the projects here that I was doing because this was just an idea that I created right on the spot and right in front of the camera. So I am not very good with the drill, and some of these things were very, very new to me. So hang in there and watch my video, but I promise you it's something you certainly can use. Here we go. Hello everyone. So here I am going to be making my own ribbon holder. I am situating these ribbons in a way that once I put my ribbon holders on my dowel, I have more room. For right now, I only bought 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the sizes are basically, I just took one of my ribbon spools and I took it to the lumber store and I shoved it into the dowels and I figured out, hey, that's the size I need. So there really is no measurement. I would just suggest to do the same thing. Now, obviously what I did here is I laid out the middle because sometimes you can have some bigger spools. See, like this one is from Creative Impressions. This is an older one, but it's pretty large. So I want to make sure if I need to add any more of these dowels later on to my project, I certainly can do that and I don't have to buy something else. This is a piece of round wood that I went and got from the lumber store. I'm going to put 4 of these pieces like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically north, south, east, and west. And I'm going to leave the middle one here, and I will go ahead and put one of the dowels in there too. That way I have plenty of room. Now, I didn't buy this, not yet, but technically you can place this piece of wood on coasters or rollers, not coasters, excuse me, on rollers and wheels, so you can wheel it around, or you can just add a handle with another strong, sturdy plastic or something with Velcro attached to the back, and then you could pull it around. For right now, I am not going to be spending too much money. I just wanted to go ahead and get this thing situated. Obviously, I'm inside my house right now, so I am not drilling inside my house. But I went and I got this cute little drill that was girl-friendly, and I will be able to use it and basically just put the holes right where I need them. I will measure them out so they're at least straight enough, but I'm not going to be too stressed about it, but I'll make him look as nice as possible. And while I'm drilling, I will be outside. I really don't have a way of doing the video for you. At least I haven't figured that one out yet. But I will be taking some pictures and showing you the progress report. But this is the idea. So these dowels are going to be put into the middle, like so. Right there, and right there, and one there. And then the ribbons are going to go on it. So I will definitely take a picture of the final project. So hang tight, and let's have some fun. So here it is, and apparently everybody's doing construction out here today. It's so noisy, it's crazy. Now, I don't want to go too far, but I don't want to burn out my drill either. But the whole idea is this thing is going to sit right in there, like so. But see, it's not enough yet. I need to go deeper. Oh my goodness, but I don't want to go too deep because obviously, here, I'm trying to do this here. Okay, I'll go from this side. See the depth? Hold on. The depth here? Okay, so I don't want to go too deep because I don't want to drill all the way through. But this is nowhere near the depth yet to hold it, even with wood glue, because with the ribbons, it's going to create a weight. So, I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay, so you know what I did wrong? I had the drill the wrong way. I had it going to the right. Or maybe it was a left. But anyways, as soon as I rotated this little thing to make it go the other way, see how it clicks? Hold on. I feel so dorky. So watch this. You click it in and out. Well, then the drill goes different. See, watch. You go the other way. So no wonder it was smoking. I got it the wrong way. Oh my goodness. I told you I never did this before. Okay, so here it is. It's drilled, but I gotta straighten that. Okay, I think I got the hang now. I'll be back. Hi everyone. Alright, so I'm back inside, and it was really, really hot out there. So my dowels are in. I'm going to be using some glue to fix them, but I wanted to, see this is a little not straight here. So I'm using this paper, let me see. It's joint tape. That's what this is called. So I'm going to be putting this joint tape in here, like so, and I will be using some glue on there. So I just wanted you to see the idea as to how I'm going to be holding this together. Cut off the extra. See, one of the other reasons I'm using the green part to go down into the hole there, because you can't really see it on the tape, I apologize, but there's some green color on here. I think those kind of run, those colors. Okay, here we go. Here's my green, yep. And put that in there. And I'm going to be putting this on here towards the edge, so it shows. Oh, hold on. Oh, I'm so klutzy with this. This is crazy. Put that back in here. Okay. And put that inside. Oh, there we go. There it is. Whoop! There it is. Now you could also put toothpicks to fix them and get them a little tighter. You can do that. But in this case, I'm actually going to, oops, hold on. Ay, ay, ay. Oi. I'm going to do a little bit more of this. And cut a little more circle. This is totally Jimmy rigged. This is totally Jimmy rigged. Totally homemade. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, here we go. Oh, could use more tape. I mean, this, this joint tape. Here we go. I think they use this for drywall. You guys are probably knowing a better way of doing this. If you do, just let me know. First time I've ever made this, and this is kind of like my design, so I came up with the idea here. I was looking at some of those ribbon holders, and I didn't feel like spending that kind of money, so I wanted to make my own. Ah, there, that's better. See, now we can do that. And I'm sure you could put like a washer over this to really fix it on and do all kinds of different things, but oh, this is enough work. I kind of just wanted to do that. And here, this would be okay just in there. So add a little glue, because glue is good. Oh, I think I added too much. This is definitely going to come out. Alright, let me see here. Turn a little bit. Or maybe not. Maybe this will work. What do you know? Alright, we'll see how that works. There we go. And just keep on doing these to all of them. I do have paper underneath it, so I'll keep doing it. Yeah, don't let your oi, oh, geez. Don't bump them. You want them straight. Here, a little more glue right there. And put that in there. And try to make sure it goes into the hole so you don't have a hot mess. And make them straight, just like that. There it is. Alright, I'll be doing that to all sides. I'll be back. Alright, so check this out. I just figured out you can layer this and make 2 at a time. Like I said, I'm kind of learning as I'm going along. My little design here. So if you guys want to make this, feel free. Go for it. Hopefully you're able to do it a little better than I did, which is okay, with less danger. Alright, so I think this might be just a little too big in here. Make sure I got the green. Yes, I do. Yeah, this is a little too wide. Oh, I got stuck in there. Oh, geez. Okay. So I will make this a little smaller. Just about there. Because we don't want that paper to hang out. Now, the ribbons are going to cover it, but still, I still like things to look nice as much as possible. Oh, I just think I trimmed it too small. Yikes. Oh, we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of this on the sides, right in there. And put that in like so. I got to move the camera back so this is straight. And press in. Oh, there we go. That's holding. That's good. Take this off my fingers so I don't burn it. And put this back inside. And again, the ribbon will cover this up, but still want it to look as pretty as possible. Yeah, as possible. And so I got these glued, and I have the middle one. I just have this one right here that I need to glue right there. It's my last one. Ooh, that's looking good. And since this one already has a back to it, there it is. Press that in. Oh, there we go. And that's working out very nicely. Look at this. It's working out. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Clean that up. We'll wait until it dries. I'll show you how it's going to look. Alright, here's another tip. This is where the sticker was, and I have this eraser to remove where the sticker was so it doesn't have that sticky backing on. And this is a crafter's eraser. See how it's coming up? Look at this. This is fantastic. So you don't have some stickiness that collects dust and everything else. And you just take it right off, see? Look how cool this is. Look at that. It's coming right off. There we go. Just throw that away. And let's see if there's any more stickiness. Just a little bit right there. But you can literally take an eraser and take that sticky part off. Now you can stain the wood, you can do decoupage on it, you can do a lot of things. I wanted to get this thing done fast. Well, it wasn't as fast as I planned, but a lot faster than if I start decorating it. And I certainly can do that later. I'm not too worried about that. But since it's going to be covered up anyways with the ribbons, I don't need to do that. Oh, here's another tip. When I work with glue and I put it on my hands, I just take something. This is just some of the things that I have. It's just a regular anti-aging Olay. I use it for my hand. And what I do is after I use a lot of glue, I always do this to my hand. Just add a whole bunch of cream, because if you don't, your skin is going to dry out. In some of my videos, sometimes you see me, I get burnt here or I get a blister. It's because of the glue. So I just go like that, and then I clean off my hand and wash, and make sure that you don't touch anything that will soak up your creamy, oily hands. So remember, I used the joint sheet rock tape. It's called joint tape right here. It says, see, sheet rock. And then I used my wonderful glue, E6000, and eraser to get rid of this. And then my brand new drill, Ryobi, that I just got just for this project. So, and then of course the eraser. And I'm going to get back here as soon as this dries, and I will put on the ribbons, the spools of ribbons, so you get to see the finished product. I'm so excited. All right, hang tight. I'll be back.
So here is the finished project, the before and after photos. I had my ribbons in a box and a container, and I wanted to go ahead and use them a lot easier. And with these dowels, the way they're situated, the ribbons stack up on top of each other, and all you do is basically take the edge of the ribbon and pull it open, and you don't have to worry about taking them off the dowels at all. And the only time you take them off, if your spool is pretty much finished and you no longer need it anymore, and you could throw away the actual ribbon spool. So as you see in the photo, sorry if you were out of focus, I apologize. I've used my drill. You saw the video how it was done, my little circle, the wood circle and all that. And I left enough room on my wood circle that I can put in more dowels if I would want to. And you could see the picture and you could see the date on this. It's been, as of this video being made, it's been almost a year and my dowels are still standing. I'm still using my ribbon holder, so it worked out great and I'm very satisfied with it. And it was very inexpensive for me to do this. And I really, really like it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends, and hugs to everybody. Take care. Bye.